It was a sunny day, perfect for the grand unveiling of my recently installed solar system. My roof gleamed with brand new solar panels, and my garage wall housed the sleek inverter box. I was about to embark on a journey of energy independence, but there was one tiny nagging doubt in my mind. Were the numbers adding up? As an ardent DIY enthusiast and environment lover, I had spent countless weekends researching, planning, and finally installing my solar system. I wanted to take charge of my energy needs and reduce my carbon footprint. While I trusted my abilities, I knew it would be prudent to verify if my solar installation was running optimally. Enter PVBuddy Solar Checker device. I stumbled upon this nifty gadget during my research and instantly knew I needed it. It was like having a personal solar system inspector at my disposal, and I was both the contractor and the client. With the PVBuddy Solar Checker in hand, I was ready to dive into the numbers game. I started with a top-down approach, examining my energy production and comparing it to the numbers reported by PVBuddy. I noticed a 7% discrepancy. While it wasn't a massive difference, it still didn't sit well with me. I had to find the source of this disparity and reconcile it. I moved on to the next step, using PVBuddy's string amp mode to examine the current output from each string of panels. This mode would help me identify any underperforming strings and narrow down my search. After checking each string, I found one that was weaker than expected. With the underperforming string isolated, I focused my attention on each panel in that string. Finally, PVBuddy Solar Checker revealed the culprit: one of the modules wasn't connected properly. After ensuring the proper connection, it was time to restart my system and recheck the numbers. With bated breath, I monitored the kilowatt-hour reading. This time, it was nearly identical to the inverter's reading. A wave of relief washed over me. My solar system was now working correctly, and the sense of accomplishment was overwhelming. I packed up the PVBuddy Solar Checker, knowing that it had already paid for itself. Not only had it given me peace of mind, but it also ensured my solar investment was performing optimally. As I sat on my porch, sipping a well-deserved beer, I couldn't help but marvel at the beauty of those solar panels against the sunset sky. With PVBuddy by my side, I felt confident in my ability to maintain and understand my solar system better. The adventure of owning a solar system can be both rewarding and intimidating. It's essential to have the right tools and information to make the most of this energy-efficient lifestyle. PVBuddy proved to be my perfect companion on this journey, a friend I'll rely on for years to come. So, to fellow solar enthusiasts and newbie DIYers alike, I say this: trust your instincts, believe in yourself, and embrace technology like PVBuddy Solar Checker. When the sun sets on your day, and your solar panels rest, you can enjoy a refreshing drink and know that you've made a difference. One panel, one string, one solar system at a time.